YouTube? Your boy back with another video. You feel me? It's gonna be a little bit different type of video today. I'm gonna be going over DoorDash and how much do I really make in 2022. Okay, so for you guys that don't know, I do DoorDash pretty much full time when I can. When I'm not running my other business, I do tour rentals as well. So what I make doing DoorDash, I guess I usually go out there. It usually depends. Either I get out there real early, that's when I make the most money. Peak. I get out there like 5 a.m. to like 9, or like 5 to 12. That's when I make the most money. That's when I get the McDonald's orders, the Dunkin' orders, all the good stuff. And it's sometimes be promos and stuff. So I advise that's the best time to go out early in the AM. Just go over a few little stats. So a little background on me, on my wall, at least my DoorDash stats. I have about 2,200 lifetime deliveries. I have a 4.9 rating, and I think I have about a 77% acceptance rate. So I am a top dasher. That's another thing I definitely advise getting, or at least trying to work for, becoming a top dasher, because scheduling and trying to fight to make some money dashing, it'd be a little rough, especially in the market I'm in. So I figured that, working a little bit extra hard or taking those little few orders you may not want to take, come top dashing, it's good for me, because I can dash anytime and I get high priority orders. Yeah, I got like 78% acceptance rate, so I'm good on that end. So I am a top dash. Okay, down to the nitty gritty, how much do I really make? I want to say I range in between 15 an hour to the most, probably like 25 an hour. Be realistic. That's factoring in everything too, maintenance, gas, and all that. But one thing I do have a very fuel efficient car. I have a 2021 Chevy Spark, so that's great on gas. It's only a 9-gallon tank, and from bare empty, gas light being on, almost stuttering, it's I think $30 to fill up, and that's with all this gas price stuff going on. So it's honestly not bad. So it might vary for you, and then also vary in your market, whatever location you're in. The markets I always go to, stores, restaurants, whatever, is McDonald's is always good, Chick-fil-A always bang, and Dunkin' for early in the morning for people want their coffees and all that good stuff. Donuts, so that always bangs. I worked on some of my stats. So like for 1 week I made $376.33, right? And my active time was 13 hours, which would be $28.94 an hour, but my dash time was 18 hours, so that's typically $20.90 an hour, and then factoring in a little bit of gas, even though I got a very fuel efficient car, so that'd probably be about 18 an hour. That was just the normal, minimum week, 18 hours, not even like a little normal part-time job. So then another week, I made $146, and my active time was 5 hours, so that was $29.20 an hour if you want to do it by active time. And my dash time was 7 hours, so I would make $20.85 an hour, minus gas and maintenance, whatever. So almost pretty much 20 an hour. And then for promos, special promos that may have like an extra $1.50 per order, you can definitely make upwards of 20 plus an hour. That's pretty much how much I make in my market. Those few tips I told you. Get out there early. Don't take no crazy orders. You feel me? I usually just take like $1 a mile, or maybe a little bit higher mileage, because like I said, I got a fuel efficient car. So also depending on the dollar amount the order is. If it's like a high double-digit amount order, I'm like, I might as well take it depending on the mileage. As long as the mileage ain't too high, too outrageous, use your own common sense. But as long as the mileage ain't out too outrageous, say you get maybe like a $10-12 order, maybe take you 20 minutes. You bust out 2 of those, that's already 20 plus an hour. That's how I look at it. So yeah, guys, it all depends on you, your market, your car, your maintenance. Like I got a brand new car, so I don't got to worry about any, like changing the belts or any all that high mileage stuff. Like I just got to do normal oil changes, tires, brakes, normal stuff that you go through. It takes regular gas. I'm gonna worry about premium gas. Yeah, so if you want to work, you know, do your little DoorDash part-time or full-time, you want to quit your actual 9-to-5 job, I would definitely say it's cool, especially if you already got a fuel efficient vehicle, or if you got enough money to grab a fuel efficient vehicle like a Prius or hybrid, or what I have, a Chevy Spark, just a normal small fuel efficient vehicle, and you want to dash and be serious about it, you can definitely make some decent money. So that's just my little 2 cents on it. I know it's a different type of video from what y'all used to, but I give y'all a little bit more insight to what I do and all that other stuff. So. And another thing, guys, you feel me? Don't sleep on DoorDash. You feel me? I'll be like, oh, he DoorDash. Oh, don't sleep on it. It's definitely good money. You feel me? There's people out here really do it for a living and pay their bills and make a decent living. So it's not no chump change or no garbage job. You feel me? Don't think of it that way. It's like you being your own boss. If you think of it as a garbage job, then you're gonna handle it as a garbage job. If you think of it as you being your real own boss, set your own schedule, make your own money, make as much money as you want, set your own hours, go out whenever you want, then yeah, you feel me? That'll really be good for you, especially if you multi-apping with Uber Eats or Grubhub, or you drive for Uber, Lyft, and all that other stuff. I mean, it's definitely ways to make money, guys, other than a normal 9-to-5. So definitely don't sleep on it. If you need, you know, a side gig, you make extra money, because everybody needs more than one way of income nowadays, especially everything that's going on, food prices, gas, everything going up, guys. So that's just my 2 cents. I would definitely say dashing is cool. You can do what you want, pick and choose whatever orders you want. You feel me? You don't even got to go for the top dash. You can just make it as a little side money. It's real decent, guys. So that's my 2 cents. I probably have more DoorDash videos coming up and tour videos. Just let me know what y'all want to see down below, if y'all messing with these type of videos or not. But until next time, guys. Go.